How to fix All Will Fall is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab you want to add -dx11 to the launch options and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Now once this is completed you can close Steam and then you'll need to update your graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA card you can use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can download the AMD software if you have AMD. And from drivers, you will need to check for the latest update and make sure to download and install it. And once you're done, you will also need to install the redistributables. So if you search for redist and open up the first link, now from this second table here, you should download and install the 86 redistributables and the 64, both of these. When you finish installing them, it will likely ask you to restart your computer. So right after the restart, you'll need to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then from your Steam library, you should launch the game again, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.